Sup amigos, Costa here for Beardbrand Alliance. Hope you all good. On today's video, I'm gonna talk about and recreate what I think is the best silver beard in Hollywood right now. This actor has been in quite a few nice TV series of late, and he's rocked some really cool hairstyles, and everything seems to just suit him. He looks awesome. Before I get to recreate, I'm going to show you some photos of this actor and some of these styles he's rocked: beard, no beard, and stash. Number one, White Lotus, where he just rocked this cool mustache, short hair. He looks super cool. Nick DeNoy in the Chippendales, no beard whatsoever, cool hairstyle. He still looks fucking dope, man. This guy is just awesome. The third one, which actually the episode is not even out yet, but I've seen the picture, is going to be in the Last of Us series, which is super cool. I've watched 2 episodes so far, and he's rocking a full beard. Which brings me to what I'm going to recreate is this next image. I think it's some photo shoot for one of the magazines or something. So I'm going to recreate that look. Obviously, his hair is slightly longer on the sides, but I think that is the perfect beard on this image here. And I'm gonna recreate that, show you how to quickly do the coolest silver fox Hollywood beard. Let's go. What we're gonna need: our favorite Brio trimmer, Beardbrand travel brush and normal brush, some styling paste. With the Brio, we're just going to go big. So the biggest one I've got here is 15 millimeters. Just trimming this here to the side. His beard is pretty much around the same size as mine. Also, his curls out like that, I can see. So I'm gonna trim, and then I'm gonna show you a secret that I do to tame my beard right down. First of all, I'm just gonna try to get the strays down like he's got there. So we're going down. You might not even take anything, which is cool. Yeah. So we stop that and go to the next. Better start big and not taking anything off, then, you know, take it all off, you can't put it back. Alright, so one guard down. Still pretty much nothing coming out. Boof. So next I've got is 12 millimeters. Okay, now we start to get some out. And I don't want to take too much, so this is fine by me. Just gonna go down through most of the beard, or all of the beard, shall I say. I'm even gonna go one further down. So 12, 9. Okay, now we're talking. Just go all over it. Right, now here, I'm just gonna take these bits down as well with the same guard, and then I'm just going to trim the neckline normally. So first of all, I just want to take a little bit of this bulk with the same guard, and notice I'm going down instead of going up, because if I go up I'm going to take far too much. This is just going to trim these little bits that are sticking out, going down. After I removed enough bulk here, all I'm gonna do is like now tidy up a little bit more, kind of like blending it in. Soft, soft. And now I'm gonna remove this bulk down here. Not like perfectly straight lines, because we want to create like that tidy but not sharp lines look. That's why I kept going down and down and down. So remove the balcony. And as you can see, by going down like that, it's trimmed it and kind of blended in. Still looks natural without that chunky sharp line down there. So for me, that's pretty much done. Moving on to the mustachio. It's on the lip, so minimal, and then I'm just gonna open it up on the V there. There we go. I think that is pretty much it. That is super simple beard. Obviously it's a slightly gray, but mine is coming along. I'm happy now that I've got these in this patch instead of all over the place. So now, for the last part, I'm gonna style my hair and change clothes. For the hair and to trim the beard, but first we start with the hair. Little bit of styling paste, mix it up nicely almost until it disappears, and then his hair is like a little bit there. He's got longer. So it's like almost a parting, but not quite a parting. Okay. And then it's down. Okay. I think this is the best I can do with my type of hair compared to his and not having hair on the sides. The rest of the brown residue, get those fly. Here, those fly. Not the same jacket, but and jumper. But voila, my friends. This is my favorite silver fox beard right now in Hollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay cool.
Whoever knew sweat could smell so good? I did, because I've been using Beardbrand's new deodorant. Grab it at beardbrand.com.